The mentioned small or not so small black dots result from impurities, mainly dust, that have settled onto the chip of your DSLR or mirrorless camera. Dust mainly gets... This is an example of a photo I took. You can see these weird dark specks. And it sucks. Let me explain to you what I mean. This is what I mean. All cameras. Actually, no. All DSLRs and DSLMs have the following: a shutter button, a lens mounting thing, and a sensor. Often, there's a lot of dust and debris that builds up on a sensor. How do you get rid of it? Let me show you. Now, any and all camera brand, any YouTuber, any camera brand, any kind of electronic store, any supplier or distributor of electronic products that sell, buy, or do anything related to cameras want you to buy one of those little squeegee things. They're all gonna force you to buy something like this. This is a Giotto's AA 1900 Rocket Air Blaster Large Black for $22. Now when I'm taking photos or any kind of video, I don't want these dust particles. And I'm not paying $22. I'm 16 years old, I'm broke as it costs $22 for something that blows air. So how do I fix that? Using this. I'm gonna use this. This is literally a candy making thing. My mom used to work in a candy shop and she literally got this. It's available on Amazon for $3. You can get 2 of these bottles for $3. What is the point of paying $22 when you can get one of these that does the job just fine for $20 less? You're probably asking, Saaim, how does this work? Let me show you how to fix this. This right here is my camera. This is my camera rig. It's got a mic on top. It's got the lens. Step 1, turn off your camera. Step 2, remove any kind of accessories that might get in your way. The sensor is under this lens. This piece right here, this goes in like that. Take this one, which has no kind of prongs, and attach that on there. Open the cap. Then that is your sensor. 1, 2, 3. Don't touch the sensor and close it up. Done. Go to any other tutorial on YouTube and you're gonna face problems. They're gonna tell you to buy this kit for $30. It's not worth it. You take your lens, you stick it back on, and boom, you're good to go. Now you can shoot in all those crazy apertures without any black specks. It's almost like you never left.